Hey friends, how's it going? Today I am back potting up 3 containers with summer color on a fairly cool but sunny spring day. Let's jump right into the plants and the project. Hey friends, alright, for our first container for today, I am using a 15-inch diameter terracotta pot, and I am doing Super Petunias. So these are all Proven Winners varieties. Now this is a 2023 recipe of the year, and it includes Mini Vista Indigo, Mini Vista Violet Star, which has that cute white and purple veining, and the Super Petunia Mini Vista White. It suggests using the blue mohawk grass as the centerpiece, so it would look like that. Turn it for you. So that's kind of how it would look. I, however, decided that I'm going to swap out the white for hot pink. So this beauty is Super Petunia Mini Vista Hot Pink, and I think this is a fun arrangement. So I'm going to try this one. I'll save the white for another use. I will definitely use this. I love this plant actually. But I saw the hot pink and decided I had to have it in some arrangement, so this is what I'm going with. So let's get this potted up. It should be pretty quick. Now, if you want to see this in slow motion, I will link my previous video where I pot up a container much slower, bring you in so you can see the whole thing. We're going to do this pretty quick. I am going to add my time-release fertilizer. I'm running low and need to get some more. You just want to kind of mix it in so it's down a little ways so the roots can access it as they need it. So this is a time-release fertilizer. I will also use a water-soluble fertilizer that they access much faster. All right, so this is the blue mohawk grass. The hot pink Mini Vista. Now, Super Petunia Mini Vista Violet Star. And Super Petunia Mini Vista Indigo. And honestly, I think this is my favorite color. I do like the Bordeaux as well, but Indigo just seems to go with everything. It's right in my color palette wheelhouse. And I think I need to add just a little more soil. I am not one that normally adds an accent grass to these containers, but because I am using the Proven Winners recipe, I thought I would add it in and see how it looks in the end. This is kind of the upright thriller portion. These are going to act as both fillers and spillers. So the Super Petunia Mini Vistas will fill in nicely and they will trail over the side of the container. So they will serve double duty. They will be the thriller and the spiller. If you're doing this in a hanging basket, you probably don't need to add the grass in. You could probably just use one of each of these and they will fill in very nicely. As you can see, this hot pink Super Petunia Mini Vista is already quite large and it will continue to bulk up and grow in size. So I will again use my time-release fertilizer probably every, I would love to say every third watering, but probably once a week is the plan. So I will have these on drip so they will get consistent water, but I will also manually add that water-soluble fertilizer once a week. So let me place this in its spot and I'll be back with container number 2. Alrighty guys, so next up we have a very bright and cheery summer container. So this is a bronze orange canna lily, a yellow bidon, and a bright lights red osteospermum. So I thought the red, orange, yellow is a classic combo, very warm summer colors, or hot summer colors. So let's add our fertilizer and get these potted up. So this is a Sun Drop Compact Biden, and it should get about 8 inches tall and spread about 12 inches. So this is going to be our kind of our filler in this container. There you go. This is the bronze orange canna lily, and it wants full sun. It gets to be 30 to 48 inches tall, so this will really fill in nicely in the back of the container, especially in our full sun location. This one does have some root circling. I'm just gonna pull a little bit. It's not bad at all, so don't need to do much. Just want to make sure, again, you're tucking soil all around. There we go. And the Osteospermum Bright Lights Red. This one will get 8 to 12 inches tall, and it will definitely be a filler. So it will really branch and spread out in here. I'm excited about this one. There we go.
As I was taking a final look at the container, I decided I didn't like the placement of the Biden, so I just scooted it over by picking it up, adjusting the soil, and putting it back in.
There we go. Just needed to shift it over a little. When you have 3 plants, you want to make sure you have kind of a triangle. There we go. Since these are going up against the house, they do sort of have a back, so I'm trying to put the tall one in the back, and then you know, the filler spiller combos, you know, toward the front of the container. Our last container is, we're getting most of our color from foliage. In this container we have an Ipomea called Marguerite Sweet Potato Vine, which is this lovely limey chartreusey color. We have purple fountain grass, and this is Osteospermum Bright Lights White. So this will really fill in and be our filler. This one's going to be our spiller. And the purple fountain grass will definitely grow up, and that'll be our thriller in the back of the container. And once again, our time release fertilizer. And I'm almost out. I really need to get more. I think I need more soil in this. First up, purple fountain grass. I really do love this grass. I think this is the first one that I use that really made me think, you know, it's something. Like, this can grow 30 to 36 inches tall. It does enjoy quite a lot of light. It can do well in part sun to full sun. The more sun, the better it likes it. So we're gonna put this in a full sun setting, and I will be very happy. You just want to make sure, again, it's tucked in. It does really well in the landscape and in containers. Bright Lights White is going to fill in quite nicely. It gets to be about 12 inches tall, and it will spread out and fill in the space really, really well. And Marguerite Ipomea is going to be our spiller. So this is going to fill in and trail over the side of the container. So again, not a lot of color at the moment. The purple fountain grass will add color in terms of its leaves. It will get that purple color as it's in the full sun. The Ipomea is adding that chartreuse color, and then we have our white from the Bright Lights White. So I'm going to set this one over, and we'll go take a look at all 3 containers.
Now, I did not put these in the order that I put them together. So over here to the left, we have the Bright Lights Red, the Bidens, and the orange canna. In the middle, we have Osteospermum Bright Lights White, the chartreuse Ipomea, and purple fountain grass. And to the right, we have our Super Tunia Mini Vista container, hot pink indigo, and a violet star, along with the blue mohawk grass. So those are the containers we're doing for today. We will certainly be checking on them throughout the summer. They're all watered in and in their spot. So that's gonna do it for our video today, guys. All right, friends, that's gonna do it. You can kind of see the containers in the background there. That's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. If you would like to see more content, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.